SUNHUNK H3480 80-ton truck crane. The chassis adopts a customized heavy-duty truck 4-axle chassis, with a total length of 10 meters and a height of 3.17 meters. The classic red and white color scheme of the entire vehicle. The paint is applied in 17 processes, with a smooth and tidy paint surface. The integrated box girder design provides better stability for the entire vehicle. The H3480 has 8 telescopic arms, a full extension arm length of 21.3 meters. 6 telescopic legs leg span of 7.8 meters. And a tail leg that can extend 1.5 meters. Lift-type counterweight bracket. It can be paired with a 15-ton counterweight to achieve all-round lifting. H3480 has a maximum lifting capacity of 80 tons. A fully extended arm of 21.3 meters can lift 10 tons, and a side lift of 40 tons. Intelligent remote control operation. Intelligence control system. Electrical box. Electronic proportional valve. Double rotary reducer. Work warning light. Rear leg warning light. Ensure work safety and alert surrounding personnel. 7 and 8 arm options with built-in oil cylinder. Additional telescopic arms can be installed.